Man, god damn it, you shot me. You fucking scavenger!
What?
Fucking scavenger!
Sorry.
Now loot my balls!
For me, mate.
Loot it, bro. Loot my balls. Hairy balls. Loot it. You're gonna get... You're gonna get shit from me because I don't have anything.
I killed you, it's fun, it's fun.
Yeah, I killed your mama too, so you're born. It's fun. Funny, Sonny.
Killing him for me.
Hey,
Funny!
My mom saw us bored.
Shit, shut up.
Yeah, she said I was boring, but here you are. I did a good job. Anyway, you know.
Your English is fucking horrible.
Yeah, I know, man. That's why I'm talking with you. Because you can't understand
Is
me.
that supposed to be an insult?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah, you can't understand, bro.
You're
Okay,
not
this is an insult. Listen to me. Jebem ti mater. Can you understand
Oh,
understand this? This is an insult. Puši kurac.
Where are you from?
Hey, do you understand this? This is an insult.
Hey, hey.
Da Bog da ti krava umrla. That's an insult. Okay, we were talking about
Where are you
insults.
from?
I am from a country, a little one.
A little one.
Yeah, Europe. Take a guess.
Fucking Estonia.
No. Haydi, one more chance. Estonia, he said, guys. Haydi.
Guys, how the fuck?
Second chance, haydi. You gotta be from some Swedish, Norwegian, Finland countries. Those northern countries. Are you?
Yes, I'm the king in the north.
You see, guys. I know where they are from, but they don't know where are we from, you know. They can't find us, guys, you know, but we know all about them. Next time you wipe your ass, check out the toilet. Maybe it's a bomb there.
The shitter of Europe.
Maybe it's a bomb there in the toilet, bro. You know, because we know where you live.
Turkish?
Not Turkish, bro. Turkish still doesn't know it. Let's go! You're in a Wheel of Fortune here. Maybe you're gonna get a prize. With my bad English. Haydi, let's go. I wanna know if you're gonna pick, if you're gonna guess. Haydi. Use your brains. You're from North. You're clever guys. You guys are so full of wisdom and everything. Haydi.
Wait, fucking tell me where you're from.
No, I'm not gonna. I wanna see if you're clever or not.
I'm not fucking.
Guess it, bro. Guess it. My English is
Never heard
bad.
your fucking accent.
You see, guys, he says that I speak very, very bad, but he can understand me. How is that come? Haydi, do it, haydi. Not Turkish, not Estonia, Europe. Close to
Europe or-
close to Hungary. Let me if you know the map.
Oh, this is taking too long, man.
Close to Hungary, bro. Hungary, I gave you a tip.
I'm not hungry.
And your English is bad. You see, guys, he's not hungry, guys. Okay, I gave you a tip. Just do it.
Guy doesn't have a clue.
God damn it, Dinotti, man, that guy doesn't have a clue. Why are you torturing that guy? That's my job. I'm a demon boy.
Hey, man, Demon Boy is getting angry.
Fighting player, man.
Kill that bastard! He doesn't know where I'm from! Kill that guy! He doesn't know where I'm from! I'm still here, bro. I'm waiting for your answer, bro, man. I wanna see.
Like little bit.
Don't kill him! He needs to fucking guess the quiz, guys! Don't kill that guy!
I'm still alive. What the?
Yeah. Bad loot. Don't kill him, guys. We have a quiz here. Please. The guy still doesn't know where I'm from. If he's gonna goddamn lose, you know, he's not gonna know where I'm from, and that's gonna be bad. Because he's gonna be always like, where is he from? Kill that bastard. Don't kill him, guys. He's taking a shit from the ground.
Hello.
Please don't kill him, guys. He's wiping his ass now.
It's all good, my friend.
What the fuck is wrong with those guys? They can't shoot, guys.
They're fighting each other now.
Yeah,
They're running away like a little-
have you ever killed a guy just with a voice? I did. I killed a guy in H1Z1 just with my voice. Nobody did that in H1Z1 community, bro. No one. I did it. I was yelling so much at him. No, not me.
It was my job.
Or some shit.
It was my job. Demon Boy killed him.
Demon Boy killed him, not me.
Switzerland.
I'm sorry, man. Demon Boy killed him. So, are you gonna pick a guess?
Switzerland or
No! No! Third time strike down! No! It's not bordering the Hungary, bro. What the hell? Switzerland, he said.
You said close to, not fucking.
Bordering the Hungary, bro. Use the Google, goddammit, if you don't know it.
I can't Google. How you Google?
You know, it's that that icon on internet. You press it.
Might die to bombs.
Shit. And they're like, and they're like, why are they bombing us? Don't shoot him. He still doesn't know where I'm from, guys. Please.
Ukraine?
What's up? Not Ukraine. Fifth time wrong. Shit, guys. Let's go. Hey,
Romania?
no! God damn it,
Fuck's
guys!
sake.
6, 7 times! Oh my god! Shit, guys, what should we do, people?
Okay, are you from Europe? Okay?
Yeah, I'm from Europe.
Or yes?
Hungary
Okay, I
is
will,
Europe,
I will,
goddammit.
I will.
Chuck Bass, what's up, man? That guy just doesn't know where I'm
He's
from.
coming!
Don't kill him! Don't kill him, guys! I'm having a quiz here, guys. What's up, Diggy Busy?
Bulgaria! You're from Bulgaria?
No, no, Bulgaria, 8 times.
I fucking know, man.
You're close, but you're not right, man. You're close. Not Bulgaria, my friend. God damn, your geography is bad, man. You gotta go back to the
Fucking
school.
shit at geography, man.
Yeah, I see. You see, you say to me, my English is bad, but your geography is even worse, bro. You know, your geography is...
You Polish? Polish?
No! 9 times, guys. 9 times. No! Let's go.
List every country in Europe.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a hint. We have a C.
Lithuania. Lithuania.
No, we have a C, bro. We have an access to a sea, so we got beaches. And beaches. You know, hey, bro, don't kill him. Hey, don't interrupt our party.
I shot off his helmet. He ran away like little bitch.
Yeah, kill him. Kill that bitch. He's boring. Kill that. Okay, you had 10 guesses, man. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, he said Poland, Lithuania. What did you say? Romania, Estonia. It's not.
I don't fucking know then. What?
We're close to Germany.
Greece.
Close to no Greece. No. Look, 11 times. Shit. Don't shoot him,
He's
guys.
shooting me.
God damn it! Don't shoot him. Don't shoot my friend, guys. From Norway. Don't kill him. Don't kill him, guys. He's again taking a shit.
Romania.
No. Next to Italy, bro. Don't kill him, guys. Don't kill him. He doesn't know where I'm from. Why? Why, guys?
Like a fucking million.
Close to Austria, bro, man. Don't kill him, guys. That TWITCHDINOTTI. I can't say your name. Hey, do you have any bombs? Just bomb them. You have any bombs? Bomb them, bro.
Belarus.
No, not. Oh my god, you're too north, bro. South. South, my friend. West. Southwest, bro. You know where's Austria, bro? What the hell are you doing on the roof? They're gonna kill you. Get the.
Fucking Portugal. Portugal.
Not.
Some-
Oh my god, Portugal.
Very, very west, my friend.
East, more east, bro. East. He said Portugal, god damn it, man. Portuguese people can't speak English, bro, man. You know, they can't.
San Marino.
San Marino. West, bro, west. Yo, my people on Twitch are like, they're like laughing.
Georgia.
What did you say?
Georgia.
Oh my god, Georgia. Why do you think I'm from fucking Russia and that shit? I'm not up there, bro. I'm down. I'm down. I'm always down, man. Whenever it's a girl or a country, I'm down. You know?
Oh god.
God damn it. How old are you, bro?
I'm 21, man.
Yeah, 21. That's the point. Are you like unique Norwegian guy or is some kind of like Turkish guy who just moved to Norway?
I'm fucking half Swede, half Norwegian.
God damn, you're a mix of Vikings. Shit.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
I'm extreme Viking.
So if you get to our country, you melt because it's too hot for you.
Oh god.
Yeah, you know, goddamn, we thought about that Norwegians and Swedish people are clever, but now, guys, see, geography bad. They say there's scholarship, like their schools are the best. Guys, they don't know where are we from.
Slovenia. Are you from Slovenia or something?
Finally,
You win.
Oh, okay.
Perfect.
finally, yes, he did it.
You win. Perfect.
God damn it, 12 times,
I have a fucking
15
soundboard.
times,
Why do you have a soundboard?
15 times.
Someone
guys.
is coming!
Don't kill him. Okay, you can kill him now. He knows where I'm from. Kill him.
No.
Hey guys, everybody say,
I win $1 million.
everybody yelling here IKEA, bro. Everybody yelled IKEA, guys. Everybody IKEA power. 15 times, guys, IKEA power. Don't kill him, guys. No.
Kill him.
Okay, good. Good.
Oh shit, another faggot coming.
No, don't kill him. Don't scavenge him like he scavenged me. He came when I killed the guy. I had 30% of energy. Don't kill him. Oh my god, you're gonna die. Don't Viking. Don't die on me. Don't die on.
Like 10 times, dude.
Kill that guy. Kill him. What the hell in the name is happening here, guys? Did you kill him?
He's very low, but he's not dying. You know, I need to loot him.
Hacker!
Ammo.
Hacker confirmed.
That guy's a hacker. Hacker confirmed. Don't shoot him. Don't kill.
Yes, I can.
Yes.
You win. Perfect.
God damn it, this Viking is killing them all, guys. Shit. You know why? Because he got me. Oh my god, the fourth guy's coming. Don't kill him, guys. No! Please, there goes the helmet woman, is bleeding.
Kill him too, no problem.
Yes! Goddamn, your menstruational power is strong, man. You got the strong menstruation. Blood all over the place. You're bleeding, guys, from all holes you have. You gotta be hacking, bro, man. Look what you've done here.
Yeah, I'm very hurt.
Guys,
I'm best player.
Look
Check
at-
out my Twitch, guys.
guys.
I
No.
never sleep.
Those guys are with me because I'm funny. You just know how to play. You know, they're sick of the people who knows to play. I'm funny, bro. People like me because of my character.
I'm very good at geography, that's why people watch me.
Yeah, that's why. God damn it, man. Yeah, God, period. Yeah, you're on period. You're bleeding like hell. Shit.
Nice.
Okay, now you know where Slovenia is. Have you ever heard about Slovenia?
Yes.
So how come you didn't guess at first?
Never heard anyone from Slovenia.
Hey, now you know, bro. Now you know my English is the best. We Slovenians are goddamn professors in English, my friend. You know, we got an awesome accent. We bang a lot of girls with this accent. You know, we got there, we just talk a little bit. Oh, European! And then we got throat job. That's how it goes. Yeah, that's how it goes. If you speak perfect
Just
English.
run in fear when they hear you.
Huh?
Girls run in fear when they hear your accent.
Yeah. They just put the pants down. Please fill me up, please. You know, fill me up to the balls, girl. Hadouken to the balls. Okay, how many people you've
Okay,
killed now?
Look now.
What you gonna do? Destroy the. Oh my. Oh! That was Shoryuken, my friend. The power of Shoryuken. Goddamn mess. Look at it. What? Who's gonna clean that shit now? Look what have you done. Where are the goddamn
Need to
girls to clean this shit?
exterminate the rest.
Okay, destroy those two guys too, man. You have any bombs? They call you IKEA man. You got name on my stream. IKEA man.
Yeah, oh,
Shit, guys. IKEA man, guys. You got any discount on IKEA, man? I need
I
some.
have a lot of furniture if you want some.
Yeah, I need some furniture, bro. Have any discount in IKEA? Any connections? Oh my god. Bomb that shit. Don't kill him, guys. No! This guy. So what you gonna do now?
I don't know, I'm gonna go eat dinner, I think.
Okay, I had bon appetit, and what can I say? Get the book and learn geography, bro. See you later. Oh my god, those are some explosive, awesome sounds. See you, man.
Yeah, man.
Hadouken.
Bye.
Bye.